Hello and welcome to the first database tutorial video. Now, as we are learning databases, I thought that the best thing to do would be to start with what actually is a database. Now, you can't really go to say Google and Google what a database is, because you get a whole heap of definitions and things like that. So let's just type databases into Google and see what we get. So we get ways to buy one, we get a bit of a definition of one. That doesn't really help us so much, but if we click on, say, images, we might get, okay, so we've got a schema, which is part of a database, so that's what a intricate schema looks like. We also get like example, or if we go backwards away from the schema type click, then we can see that we get like diagrams of different types of schemas. Take that one off, take diagram off. We get all these different examples of what a database is, but we don't, we get also say tables. Now this starts to look a little bit more like a database, but we need to learn all the areas of what a database actually is. And the best way to describe it is that a database is sort of like a big massive phone book. And if we Google phone book, you can see that if we imagine what a phone book looks like as far as what it has in it, it has, here's a good example, it has, you know, the names of people, has their address, and has their phone number. Now, we can actually create that, and what it's doing is actually storing the data about people. And in an address book or a phone book, the data is the raw facts, and then once it's put in there and we read it or we look it up, it then becomes what's known as information. So in the next video, we're going to start from scratch and we're going to understand what databases are. We're going to look at the database and understand what they do, how they do it, and what are the necessary components for a database. So, you know, we have we're going to learn all the different aspects or all the different parts of this here.